Yes, Filipino. You're American. Oh, can you move there? We will arrange you according to the size of the merchandise, okay? Come here.
Oh my God! What is this?
What is this?
What is this? That's wallet. Oh, that's a wallet.
Yes.
Wait. This is a wallet,
Okay.
and this is a coin purse.
Okay, can you move here? Yes. So you're half. Oh, you're half American, half
Korean.
Korean, Filipino. Oh, really? Okay.
Really?
But you're very good looking. I like your smile. You're so nice. Oh my God. Yeah.
Hindi ka, wait! Mag-uusili ka, maya-maya pa yan.
Yeah. Oh. Can you move here because you're pure American?
Yeah.
Yeah, pure American, pure.
Sabi mo,
Okay.
sabi mo,